Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to build the Xiaozhi AI Assistant on an ESP32 but got stuck because of all the complicated wiring, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you a much simpler way to build it. I'm sure many of you already have one of these 30-pin ESP32 development boards. Just make sure it's the 30-pin version because that's what we'll be using in this project. The next thing you'll need is this 30-pin expansion board. Simply plug your ESP32 into it, making sure it's oriented the same way as I'm doing here. Now let's connect the remaining components. First, plug in the 0.96-inch OLED display. Next, connect the INMP441 microphone. After that, install the Max98357A amplifier in this position and finally connect your speaker. Now connect the ESP32 to your computer using a USB cable. Next, open the link provided in the video description, connect your ESP32 and flash the Xiaozhi firmware. The flashing process may take a minute or two, so just wait until it completes. Once it's finished, press the reset button on the ESP32. Now to complete the Wi-Fi and AI configuration, simply follow the setup video linked in the description. And that's it. Your own Xiaozhi AI Assistant is now running on an ESP32 with just a few simple steps. If you found this setup helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ESP32 AI and electronics projects.